Have you ever received a suspicious email? We're diving into the world of spam and phishing today. These crafty cyber nuisances are more than just an annoyance. They're a real problem, lurking in the shadows of our inboxes, waiting for an unsuspecting click. They can lead to identity theft, financial loss, and more. It's a digital pandemic, and it's more widespread than you might imagine. But don't worry. The good news is, with a few simple steps, you can protect yourself from these threats. So how can you tell if an email is spam or not? Well, let's dive in. Identifying spam emails can be as simple as looking for a few telltale signs. First, keep an eye out for misspelled words or poor grammar. These can often be a dead giveaway. Second, pay attention to the greeting. Does it feel generic or impersonal, like "Dear Customer" or "Dear User"? If so, chances are it's spam. Third, be wary of unsolicited attachments. Never open an attachment from an unknown sender, as it could be a virus or malware. Finally, the biggest red flag of all, requests for personal information. Legitimate organizations will never ask for sensitive information via email. Think about it. Your bank wouldn't ask for your password or social security number in an email, would they? Remember, when in doubt, don't click or respond. The best way to avoid falling victim to spam is to stay vigilant and informed. Phishing can be a little trickier to spot. So what should you look out for? Well, phishing attempts often have some telltale signs. They might create a sense of urgency, telling you that your account will be closed if you don't act immediately. They might contain links which, if clicked, take you to fake websites that look uncannily like the real thing. Or they might outright ask for money or personal information. One handy trick to spot a phishing attempt is to hover over a link without clicking on it. Your browser will usually show you the true destination URL. If it looks suspicious or doesn't match the supposed source, alarm bells should ring. Remember, scammers are crafty. They'll use all sorts of tactics to try to trick you into giving them what they want. So it's essential to stay vigilant. Always verify the source before clicking on any links or handing over any information. So you've identified a potential threat. What's next? Well, it's time to put on your digital armor and protect yourself. First off, set up email filters. These handy tools can automatically sort out potential spam, leaving your inbox clutter-free and safer. Next, make sure your software is always up to date. Hackers often exploit outdated software, so keeping yours current is like patching up any holes in your digital defenses. Now let's talk about two-factor authentication, or 2FA. It's like adding an extra lock to your digital door. Even if someone gets your password, they won't be able to get in without that second verification step. Finally, if you spot a suspicious email, don't just delete it. Report it to your email provider and the anti-phishing working group. Your action can help protect others and make the internet a safer place for everyone. By staying vigilant and practicing these steps, you can keep your digital world secure. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. First, we discovered how to identify spam emails, looking out for those red flags like urgency, poor grammar, and suspicious email addresses. Then we delved into recognizing phishing attempts, understanding the tricks used by cybercriminals to steal your information. Finally, we outlined steps to protect yourself, such as never sharing personal information online and regularly updating your software. Remember, your safety in the digital world is in your hands. Stay safe and stay smart.